Hey beautiful people, welcome to Organizing Spices. My name is Ashley Spicer, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I get my refrigerator organized. So we'll be taking my refrigerator from this and we'll be transforming it into this. So let's get into this. Alright, so first things first, we'll be removing all the food so that I can give this refrigerator some good TLC. So now that we removed all the food, I'm going to remove the shelving, which turned out to be a real pain, as you'll see later on in the video. I didn't want to use a lot of chemicals, so I decided to use hot soapy water and I added a little bit of bleach to disinfect everything. This piece was the worst to wash. It was so big, it got water all over my floor, but in the end, it was well worth it. I also used the same hot soapy bleach water to wipe the inside of the refrigerator, and then I went over everything with a clean, warm microfiber cloth. Guys, I went ham and I purchased a ton of storage containers and bins for this organization haul. I purchased things from Amazon, the Container Store, Bed Bath& and Beyond, and I also visited my local Home Goods. I'll try to link everything in the description box below, just in case you're interested in making similar purchases as I did. So here are some of the storage units I purchased. Most of these containers have already been washed off camera and the stickers have been removed, so it's ready to be used. Now that all the shelving has been dried, my husband and I tested our Tetris and memory skills to get all the shelving back into the refrigerator. Before putting all the food into the containers, I decided to stage everything to make sure that everything would be displayed the right way for my family. That way we would waste less food because everything is in plain sight. So low key guys, these juice jars are my favorite. They make everything look so pretty, but they're also functional. I'm not wasteful guys by any means. Anything that couldn't fit in the containers went into the refrigerator and they were used first. Mostly everything fit perfectly though. So if you guys haven't noticed by now, I am left-handed. If you guys are liking the video so far, please give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe and tell me what you think in the comment section below. I look forward to speaking with you all. I also purchased these condiment holders. I think these are brilliant and perfect and the perfect solution for my son. He's 7 and he's becoming more independent, and this gives him the independence that he wants and gives me the peace of mind that things won't be sticky when he's done in the refrigerator. Y'all, these salad keepers are bomb. They actually keep everything nice and fresh for a long period of time, hence the name Fresh Savers. Yes, I am wearing gloves. For me, it's a sensory thing. I don't like the way certain foods and vegetables feel in between my fingers, so I wear gloves. I also prep most of our fruits and vegetables like this. That way, it's easier for the kids and for my husband to grab a healthy snack instead of always going towards prepackaged junk food. So 3 days, three wardrobe changes. Everything is all done. I am so pleased with how everything turned out. I am in love with the different types of storage I was able to find. It really gives everything a nice cohesive look. My husband and I and the kids are able to find everything so nice and quick and easy, and I'm happy. So that concludes this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notification bell on so that you are notified whenever I post a video. Next, we'll be organizing my pantry, and you don't want to miss this video. You guys can also connect with me on Instagram at organizing_spices. See you soon.